This irresistibly creamy and delicious peanut butter is so tempting, you won't be able to resist. It all starts in the fields, where a powerful machine steps in to shake and loosen peanuts from their roots, turning the plants inside out. After being dug up, the plants are left to dry under the sun for several days, removing excess moisture and preparing the peanuts for collection. Now the bulky mechanical harvesters take over, making the job much easier. They pick up the dried plants, separate the peanuts from debris, and collect them in a hopper. China has dominated peanut production for the past decade, producing an astounding 20 million tons annually. At the processing facility, the peanut pile is fed into a cleaning setup where stones, twigs, and other foreign materials are screened out. The shelling process is fascinating to watch as machines carefully remove the outer shells, revealing the healthy nuts within. Next comes the quality inspection. Workers manually ensure only the best peanuts move forward to the skin removal stage. Using air pressure and precise programming, the brownish skin is gently removed. Afterward, the peanuts are boiled to lock in their flavor, sanitize them, and kill any harmful microorganisms. This process varies slightly depending on the manufacturer, but the boiling temperature usually hovers around 121 degrees. Once boiled, the peanuts are packed into cans for distribution. For peanut butter, the journey continues with roasting, cooling, and grinding the peanuts into a smooth, buttery paste. Flavors are enhanced step by step, transforming the nuts into a rich, creamy spread. The peanut butter is then bottled and sealed, ready to grace supermarket shelves. This spread is versatile, perfect on toast as a topping for ice cream, or enjoyed straight from the jar. Chocolate peanut butter, with its harmonious blend of sweetness and nuttiness, adds an extra touch of indulgence. Similarly, coated peanuts go through a precision chocolate coating process. Once evenly coated, the peanuts are cooled and packaged in food-grade containers. Have you tried these delightful snacks? Moving to other treats, ice cream holds a special place worldwide. Americans alone consume 50 million pints daily, enough to fill over 9 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Whether in summer or winter, ice cream's creamy richness never fails to delight. Taiwanese crackers, another beloved snack, are celebrated for their simple ingredients that deliver bursts of flavor. Though there have been debates about their oil spraying practices, occasional snacking is hardly a concern for most. Automation also plays a significant role in juice filling. These systems are so efficient that only a few workers are needed to oversee production. Bottled juices often get a bad reputation, but many brands prioritize hygiene and avoid preservatives, offering a convenient alternative to fresh juice. Strawberry production has entered a new age of efficiency and precision thanks to advancements in automation. Robots have revolutionized how strawberries are grown and harvested, ensuring not only optimal growth conditions but also minimizing human intervention. These intelligent machines begin their work in the fields, planting strawberry seedlings with precision. Once the plants mature, the same robots monitor water levels, ensuring each plant receives the exact amount of hydration required for healthy growth. When the strawberries ripen, the robots delicately pick them, avoiding damage to the fruit's tender surface. After harvesting, the strawberries enter an equally sophisticated processing stage. They are carefully sorted by machines equipped with advanced sensors that detect imperfections. Only the best strawberries move forward in the production line. Next comes the hulling process, where specialized machines remove the green stems and caps with the utmost care, ensuring the fruit remains intact. Following this, the strawberries are washed multiple times in a series of baths. These washes remove dirt, pesticides, and any potential bacteria, guaranteeing the fruit meets the highest standards of cleanliness. Once cleaned, the strawberries are packaged in tightly sealed containers to preserve their freshness. Many of these strawberries are destined for freezing, a process that locks in their natural flavors and nutrients. Frozen strawberries are then transported to the jam production facility, where they are prepared for the transformation into one of the world's favorite sweet spreads. The frozen berries are loaded into automated containers that carefully handle the fruit to prevent bruising. This stage sets the groundwork for the jam-making process. As the strawberries thaw, they are prepped for their transformation. Sugar, a key ingredient, is added to enhance the flavor, appearance, and texture of the final product. Precision machines ensure the sugar is evenly distributed, with real-time adjustments made to achieve the perfect balance. The sweetened mix is then transferred into massive cooking vats. Here, the strawberries are slowly heated, releasing their natural juices and melding with the sugar to create a luscious base. As the cooking progresses, pectin, a natural thickening agent, is introduced into the mixture. This ingredient is vital for achieving the ideal consistency, giving the jam its signature spreadable texture. The cooking process is a delicate art, monitored closely by experts. The jam's temperature, texture, and flavor are constantly tested to ensure every batch meets strict quality standards. Once the jam reaches perfection, it is carefully poured into jars. Advanced machines seal the jars airtight, protecting the contents from external contaminants and ensuring a long shelf life. From fields of strawberries to jars of shiny, delectable jam, the journey is a seamless blend of cutting-edge technology and timeless culinary craftsmanship. Every step, from planting to sealing, is a testament to how automation and innovation have transformed the way we enjoy one of life's sweetest treats. The process of creating jam is a meticulous art, combining tradition with cutting-edge technology to deliver a product that's both delicious and consistent. Once the jam is cooked to perfection, it undergoes a churning process that ensures its smooth texture. This step is crucial as it blends the ingredients evenly, creating the creamy consistency consumers love. The freshly churned jam is then allowed to cool, a step that helps the flavors settle and develop into a rich, harmonious taste. As the warm, creamy jam reaches the ideal temperature, it is carefully poured into sterile jars. These jars, meticulously prepared and lined up with precision, enter an automated filling process. The machinery ensures that each jar is filled uniformly. Sophisticated robots or other automated techniques apply labels that not only identify the brand, but also provide essential product details, such as ingredients, nutritional information, and expiry dates. The labeled jars are then carefully packed in bulk for shipping, ensuring they reach shelves and homes in pristine condition. Even smaller jam packets, often seen in hotels and restaurants, are produced with the same attention to detail. These single-serve portions offer a burst of flavor in a convenient size, perfect for pairing with toast, croissants, or scones. Despite their diminutive size, these packets undergo the same rigorous processes to ensure quality and taste remain uncompromised. Switching focus to broader factory processes, the role of machines in modern manufacturing cannot be overstated. In the food industry, these machines perform a diverse range of tasks with remarkable speed and precision. For instance, bread-making machines produce thousands of flatbreads daily, each perfectly uniform in size and thickness. Chocolate depositors create irresistible confections by dispensing liquid chocolate into molds with pinpoint accuracy, while peeling machines handle the tedious task of removing fruit and vegetable skins, ensuring uniformity and reducing waste. Nutrient-rich foods like hazelnuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, and mangoes also benefit from mechanized processing. These health-packed ingredients are sorted, cleaned, and packaged efficiently, preserving their freshness and nutritional value. Similarly, snacks like potato chips undergo rigorous quality checks at every stage, from slicing and frying to seasoning and packaging, ensuring they meet high standards of taste, safety, and consistency. In modern food production, precision is everything. Advanced machines, such as batter dispensers and automated weighing systems, play a critical role in ensuring that each product meets exact specifications. Ingredients are carefully measured, mixed, and prepared to create consistent results, while automated packaging systems minimize waste and streamline operations. These technological innovations not only enhance efficiency, but also reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing processes. Bringing delight to every bite, whether it's the creamy sweetness of jam, the satisfying crunch of potato chips, or the tropical burst of mangoes, modern food production is designed to delight consumers. Every step, from sourcing raw ingredients to the final packaging, is a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of the industry. Machines have become indispensable, enabling manufacturers to produce high-quality goods at scale while maintaining affordability and sustainability. If you're fascinated by the intricate processes behind your favorite foods, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more incredible insights into the world of food production and manufacturing.